Lesson 2. Your experience plus Claude. Diane's has an AI tool valued a building at $4.2 million. Diane said $2.6 million? She was right. She knew about a foundation crack mentioned over coffee, a rezoning 3 months out, a tenant quietly downsizing. None of that was in any database. Claude can't know it either, no matter how good it gets. Let's be specific, not motivational. Claude can't read a room. It can't smell a lie in a vendor's numbers. It has no institutional memory of what happened at your company in 2019. It can't be held accountable in front of a client, and it can't anticipate the political ripple of a decision 3 moves out. Those 5 things are permanently yours. To be fair to the tool, speed, breadth, drafting, summarizing, and holding way more information in working memory than any human. That's genuinely useful. It's just not the same list as yours. Claude's strengths plus your judgment beats either one alone. The Harvard and BCG study found consultants using AI on in-range tasks did 25% faster, 40% better work, but on tasks outside AI's ability, they did worse because they trusted a confident wrong answer. The skill that separates the two isn't AI skill, it's your judgment. Open Claude. Ask it something specific about your industry that requires judgment, not just facts. Should I take this deal type questions. Watch how confidently it answers even when it's guessing. That confidence is the thing to watch for. We built the verification habit for this in lesson 6. If you started before the iPhone, you survived Y2K, 2008, the smartphone, 2020. Every wave rearranged the furniture. None of them removed the value of judgment. In 2008, judgment got more valuable because the cost of being wrong went up. Your experience isn't a liability in the AI era, it's the scarcest asset in it. Claude multiplies it, but only once you learn to use it well. Starting next video, write 10 things you know that took years to learn, not credentials. Real judgment calls. Photograph it. Claude can't replicate tacit knowledge, judgment, or accountability. Its confidence is not the same as being right. And your experience is the scarcest asset in the AI era, not the most replaceable one,